Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mickisha868. As you can see from the title, in this video I'll be trying out Kaice Alea's wash and go routine. Love her channel, I love her hair texture. I think our hair textures are similar, so I'm going to see if this one works for me. So I'm doing the trend that I've been seeing all over YouTube. So I'll insert a clip of her video on screen and I'll be watching it on my phone as I'm doing it as well, so you guys can see and know if I'm following it step by step. I'd like to see me try out her method, her routine for wash and goes. Please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started. She uses the Nuka Honey and Mafuro Oil line by Shea Moisture. So in her wash and go, she uses the leave-in milk as well as the maximum hold gel. So I've never used these products before. So Kaice always does her wash and goes in the shower. I usually do my wash and goes out of the shower, but because I'm following her routine, I'm going to do my wash and go in the shower. So as you can see, my hair is drenched. Okay, going in with the milk. She did put a generous amount in. It feels more like a butter.
Watery, but this is very thick, but I don't mind. I like thick leave-ins or conditioners on my hair before I apply my stylers because I like to feel like it's moisturizing and hydrating before I apply a gel or a styler on top. So it is very thick. If you don't like thick products, you probably won't like this.
This is so thick, it's so hard to squeeze out. The ends of my hair are tangled, not detangled, so I'm just going to use my diamond brush just to get those knots out.
A lot thicker than it is. But as you can see, it kind of pours out of the jar very easily. It's not watery, but it's not like an Eco Styler thick. Like the consistency is not as thick.
Okay, so Kaice applies the gel right above the hair milk. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same. This definitely feels like a custard. Just gonna go with my diamond brush to try to define it some more. Guys, I must say I don't like the feel of the gel, but I'm still gonna stick with it and see how it turns out. I've applied the product throughout my hair. I'm still not a fan of the way it feels. Milk feels fine. It's still a bit thick, but when I add the water to it, the water kind of adds more slip to it. But once I add the gel on top of it, it just goes back to this like weird consistency. I won't call it a gel, I'll call it more of a custard. So I hope it dries pretty well. I'm gonna leave it, let it air dry. If I diffuse, I'll come back on camera. But for the most, I'll show you guys the final results once it's dry. Stay tuned. It has been air drying, but it's not drying fast enough for me. I'm going to use my diffuser and I'm going to put this, I'm going to put this on the warm setting and high air. Wow. And high air to diffuse my hair. Okay. So guys, here are the final results. As you can see, my hair has a lot of white cast on it. There's no way I can wear it out like this. I'm gonna figure out something to do with it, but maybe I used too much of the leave-in conditioner. I'm not sure. I will try it again since I have the products and see how it goes the next time. And here are my final results of this wash and go. I'll figure out something else to do with my hair for the week, but this wash and go is not it at all. But I will try it again, like I said, and see if I did something wrong with the amount of leave-in conditioner I put in. I'm not sure, but so I figured I might as well show you guys how I'm gonna try to fix it. I'm going in with Curl's Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste. Now I'm just applying that throughout the whole top and slicking it back. Already did that side. You guys see how white that is? And I could just pin it back like this, but then the ends are still out. So what I'm going to do is I'll pin these two up here for now. I'm going to take a scrunchie on the back area. All that extra residue. And I just crisscross them around the, let me show you guys. Crisscross them. I'm going to take another scrunchie. Then I'm going to turn this into a bun and try to conceal all the white ends. And I guess that's how I will rock it for the week. Gonna add some more Blueberry Bliss Control Paste just to add some shine to the hair. So next week I'll either attempt this combination again or try another one. Usually I don't have time during the week. That's why I chose to do this type of style to conceal this wash and go, but hopefully it holds up, but we'll see. So stay tuned. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.